Please tell me your name.
Sir, my name is Sapnam Sahu.
Okay. Do you remember your roll number for this exam?
Yes, sir. It is 304336.
Okay. So, give me a formal introduction.
Sir, my name is Sapnam Sahu.
No.
I am.
जितने कमीशन पाखर इंटरव्यू होगा से मैंने नेम मना करिए कहया भी ठीक है कहना आप तरफ डीएफ रे भी ना टा दो ना तो ना करिए
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है आउ डोमिसाइल भी मना करते हैं मैंने एक जगह लॉस्ट राइट सो आपण स्टार्ट चारिटा कंपोनेंट रहबो इंट्रोडक्शन रा फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट हैला ओके आपण करो लास्ट क्वालिफिकेशन हाईएस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन सेटा नंबर 1 सो आई हैव डन माय पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन पीएचडी करते ओके कौन स्पेशलाइजेशन सेटा भी कर दे सेकंड रहला आई हैव currently I am preparing for competitive exams कि बाद जब अपन जॉब रे अछि I am working as in this position सेटा को मिलता थर्ड होला अपन हॉबीज my hobbies include
अच्छा.
or my hobbies are number 4 achievements my achievements are this ones okay
Yes, sir.
so also please give me a formal introduction.
Sir, I have completed my post-graduation in forestry with the subject silviculture and agroforestry from Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology in the year 2019. Now I am preparing for competitive service. So my hobby is gardening and my special achievements is I have got the Rajya Puraskar in Scout and Guides.
Rajya Puraskar you got.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When is your interview?
Sir, 8 September.
So 8 September का importance कौन celebrate होते कौन से दिनों celebrate हुए etc.
Sir, 8 September is celebrated as World Literacy Day. Sir, it is observed since 1966, proposed by IUCN. Sir, the main objective and motto of this day is to create awareness and make more literacy percentage and increase the literacy percentage in different countries.
Okay, fine. So, tell me something about your home district. Which is your home district?
Sir, my home district is Khurda. Sir, it is formed on 1st April 1993 by dividing from its earlier district, that is Puri district. Sir, the word Khurda is derived from two words, that is Khura and Dhara, which shows the bravery and braveness of the soldiers of Khurda district, which are called as pikers.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what are the major industries in Khurda? Tell me something about that.
Sir, as Khurda is the state capital, so many national and international IT companies, many IT companies form the plants here. Along with that, there is cottage industries, oil industries, along with the timber producing industries such as sawmills are also present here.
Okay. Right. So, tell me, what do you mean by your name, Shabnam? What is the meaning of the name?
Sir, the meaning of my name Sabnam is that is dew.
It is derived from which language? Shabnam?
Sure.
Is it a Sanskrit word?
No, sir.
Or
It is Arabic.
Arabic word?
Arabic.
Okay. Fine. So, now coming to your education mentioned your highest qualification is post graduation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So currently what are you doing?
Sir, I am preparing for
Preparing for
competition exams.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
So my hobby is gardening.
Gardening.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And any sports you are interested in?
Yes, sir. I am a sprinter in college level. In college level and school level, I used to take part in athletics.
Athletics.
Yes, sir.
Sprinting.
Sprinter.
Okay. So who is your favorite sprinter?
Sir, recently win Neeraj Chopra is my favorite. Before that, PT Usha.
Okay.
Along with that, in Odisha, that is Duti Chand is also my favorite.
How many athletes from Odisha, how many players from Odisha participated in the Olympics total?
There are totally 4 number of players from Odisha take part in the Olympics. One is in 100 and 200 meter running, that is Duti Chand. Another is 2 men in men's India men's hockey team and 1 woman from women's hockey team.
Okay. 1 woman from women hockey team, are you sure?
So 1 or 2, that is the.
Okay. Tell me something about who all Odias got Padma Award in 2021? Padma Awards.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Someone got Padma Vibhushan from Odisha?
Padma Vibhushan. Yes, sir.
Who?
Recently, Raghunath Mahapatra, who died, he got the Padma Vibhushan.
Which year?
Sir, in 2017, sir.
I'm talking 2021.
Oh,
2021 Padma Awards. Has any Odia got Padma Vibhushan?
Sir, I don't know.
Just go through that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure. So, so your hobby is gardening,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So which type of garden
Sir,
you have?
Sir, mainly kitchen garden.
Kitchen garden.
Yes, sir.
What are the different plants you have planted there?
Sir, in my kitchen garden, the flower species such as hibiscus, roses are also there, along with the medicinal plants such as tulsi, aloe vera, along with some vegetables such as brinjal and lady's finger is also present.
Okay. Fine. So, in gardening, what are the challenges generally you face during gardening?
Sir, in gardening, as it is a kitchen garden, we have to grow plants in a specific pots for which there is deficiency of fertilizers or the soil nutrients for the plants, for which I have to provide the fertilizers such as mainly organic, that is the FIM, farmer manure, and the peeling of the vegetables and the mainly the waste water that is derived from our kitchen. Along with that, there is also some insect pests which attack our plants. That is also another major challenges.
Okay. Fine. So what do you do to ensure that there is no water stagnation inside the pot?
Sir, in our pots of in our garden, every pot has some perforation at its end, so that the extra water which mainly retain there, they can be drained out. Also, along with that, the growth of the roots of the plants is also, when there is lateral growth, they are mainly out by that perforation, and we have to cut that to ensure their better growth.
Okay. गोटे इश्यू रोचे आपन हैंड मूवमेंट होची ठीक अछि तो ता पे बेस्ट वे है आपन हाथटा आंठू पर रख परिबे ठीक अछि अब सेटा आंठू पर रखले सेटा लॉक हेकी रहबा सो हैंड विल नॉट मूव द हैंड मूवमेंट जते कम हे परिबो नहले आपन जोठी भी गोड़ ऊपर कंफर्टेबल सेठी रखी कि सेटा सेठी लॉक करे चेष्टा करे जे हाथ मूव न करे ओके so that is something which you have done. Okay. Which kind of pots you use? Earthen pots or plastic pots?
Sir, mainly earthen clay pots.
Clay pots.
Yes.
Okay. What are the nowadays plastic pots are in huge demand? What are the pros and cons of using a plastic pot for gardening?
Sir, as plastic is cheaply available and it is more durable than that of the clay pots, there is chance of breaking in case of clay pot. But in case of plastic it is more durable, so people are going for that. But as per my view, I mainly prefer earthen pots so that the soil mainly binds to the root of the plants and it provides effective for the plant growth and development.
Okay. So what are the values or what are the important lessons that you have learned from your hobby of gardening, which you can use in your administrative career also?
Sir, as my hobby is gardening, which originates from my 6 years of experience in forestry, as an forest officer, there is also some working of the nurseries and plantation, by which this my hobbies also help me a lot. Along with that, in my hobbies I get to contact with some difficulties, some challenges which I have to face. That also helps me in my administrative career.
Okay. And extracurricular activities you had? Bharat Scouts and Guides.
Scouts and
Rajyapal
Puraskar.
So tell me, what is the motto of Guides?
Sir, the motto of Guide is to be prepared. At any time or any circumstances, we have to be prepared.
Okay. And what about your camps and all which you have attended? How many camps you have attended?
Sir, in state I have attended 3 camps, and outside the state I have 1 camp, that is at Chandigarh.
Okay. Okay, fine. So, my question with you, next question to you is, you have, Scouts and Guides you have taken, you also got the Rajyapal Puraskar. Why did you go for the higher state, Rashtrapati Puraskar? What?
So mainly at the time of plus 2, due to I have taken the science, I have not much time for dedication in that Scout and Guide, so I have not gone further study.
Okay. So in Scout and Guide, what have you learned? Means what did they teach you in Scouts and Guides? Important skills.
Sir, in Scout and Guides, as a cop, we have trained to have a good character feature, have been beneficial, how to do beneficial activities for the people as well as nature, as well as the animals. Along with that, there is also, we have taught for any circumstances burning, such as we have trained to escape from house burning, or in cases like mountain climbing, and there is also, we have taught different types of knots and structure making, and there we have also attained a very spiritual as well as very good health impacts such as different exercises are also done there, for which keep us fit and mental stability.
Okay, fine. So, what are your optionals?
Sir, my optionally forestry and agriculture.
Forestry and agriculture. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You know about India's forest policy?
Yes, sir.
Which one is the latest forest policy? Which year?
So in
Yes.
forest policy of 1892. No, no. That is
1892.
such a fast policy.
That is the first one.
First.
Then, I'm saying recent one. Most recent.
To the forest policy of 2000. Forest policy of 1980.
1980 or 88?
Forest policy of 1980.
Okay, fine.
One.
Readily declared.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know what is CAMPA? CAMPA? Compulsory afforestation. Have you heard about it? No.
मैं सुनी थी कि
Okay. ये देखिए the forest legislation.
Yes, sir.
So, other optional is agriculture, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about your, the concept of various, uses in plant breeding. Okay, types of in plant breeding. So, can you tell me what is the importance or what is the need of your in plant breeding? Okay, what are the various technologies of selection that you use? How many types of selection you know in plant breeding? Just I can name some. You can experiment. Pure line selection is there.
Yes, sir.
Pedigree selection is there.
Pedigree,
Direct
sir.
selection is there. What are these? Can you explain?
Sir, in pure line selection, mainly the plant of original tree line or species is mainly selected, in which there is no hybridization process and no multiple variant is taken. Likewise, in pedigree selection, mainly the plants of mainly the genetic label is selected, in which there is we have to take the plants of desirable varieties, desirable quality, in which the varieties are multiplied and then that is grown.
Okay. Right. So, what will be the effect of this new farm laws on the farmers of Odisha? Can you tell me?
Sir, again, I cannot.
तीनटा फार्मर passage farmers bill.
Farmers
Act,
bill.
huh?
Farmers bill.
So three of how they will affect. Okay, how they will affect
Yes.
farmers of Odisha and why they are not protesting. In the Punjab Haryana they protest. Eti kahin
Sir, in our state Odisha, mainly these laws are helpful towards the farmers, as there is compensation of price for their farm loss due to drought and natural calamities such as drought or flood, as well as they have also provided under the Fasal Bima Yojana compensation prices. And there is also procurement of different mandis in state as well as in regional level, so that they can sell their produces at regional prices, and the MSP, that is minimum support price, is also there is beneficial for them to sell their produce or grains. So as it is beneficial for our farmers, so they are not protesting as like as Punjab.
So how it will affect them badly? Punjab or Haryana, Haryana and Punjab. It is going to be beneficial for farmers of Odisha.
Sir, as there is a variety of crop production is different from that of the Odisha and Punjab, Haryana. They are mainly growing the wheat or cash crops. But in our state, it is mainly they are cultivating the rice. So they are in. So it is beneficial for us, but not in Punjab. Sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what has been the role of Odisha, state government of Odisha, in the performance of Indian team, or can say Indian Olympic results?
Yes,
What has been how Odisha has helped in India's Olympics?
Sir, in men's and women's hockey team, Odisha act as a sponsor for next 5 years after the held of the All India hockey tournament in our state. Sir, as we are a sponsor of our hockey team, and our men's hockey team also won a bronze medal at India Olympics 2020 at Tokyo, Japan. We have been performed very well. So it is also beneficial for our Odisha government to such a part of this hockey team.
Okay, so how do you tell gold medal? Gold medal.
Neeraj Chopra, he is also practiced
He had
trained here in Kalinga Stadium.
And government of Odisha took special
Care of that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Odisha is also some hand in the training. Okay, of Neeraj Chopra here in Kalinga Stadium.
Kalinga Stadium.
Okay, same part of the Kalinga. Okay. To which district you belong?
The Khurda district.
Khurda.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about the forests of Khurda.
Sir, the total geographical area of Khurda district is 2,813 km, of which 16.60%, which is approximately 467 square kilometer, is covered by forest area in this district. As it is the capital and huge industrialization is seen here, so the percentage of forest cover is very low. Along with that, Chandaka Dampada Wildlife Sanctuary is present here, which constitute mainly 263 square kilometer of the forest cover area. Along with that, some tropical timber tree species such as teak, sal, mahogany, bijay sal, assan is also seen, along with some non-timber forest tree species also.
Which are the three major trees of Odisha?
So that is teak, sal.
First one is?
According to area, that is sal.
Okay.
Then that is teak.
Okay.
Third is sisu.
Sishu.
Yes.
So tell me the silvicultural practices of Sishu tree.
Sir, sisu is mainly copiously regenerated tree, as it is sisu is mainly grown in the shelter root system along with the coppice system. In shelter root system, mainly the plant sisu is grown along with some agriculture or horticulture tree species, for which sisu also act as a shade giving tree species. The total rotation of sisu is 20 years. Mainly the regeneration failing starting after the 15 years onwards.
Okay. Okay, fine. So you aspire to join the Odisha Forest Service.
Yes,
Give
sir.
me 3 good reasons why.
Sir, as I am done my graduation as well as post graduation in forestry, I have a academic knowledge of forestry, which helps me in to grow and prosper in Odisha Forest Service. Along with that, in fourth year I have to go to the forest work experience in Karanjia district, which helps me to gain the knowledge and the working atmosphere, how the works are done in the forest department as well as in forest circles, which also help me to work accordingly in Odisha Forest Service. Along with that, I have to also keen interest in joining this service.
What will be your responsibilities when you join as an SC?
So when I joined as assistant conservator of forest, mainly it is a divisional level posting. So the works come under one forest division. Mainly I am the responsible for that. I have to do the forest vegetation survey. Along with that, I have to do the all the cases related to forest legislator laws. I have to attend those.
Okay. But what and do you know something about your training? How long is your training?
Yes, sir. Sir, in SCF it is total 24 months training, and in forest ranger it is total 18 months of training at Forest Ranger Institute at Onugul.
That is for
Forest Rangers. And for SCF, that is two research institutes, that is at FRI Dehradun. Along with that, one is at Coimbatore.
Okay, fine. So currently Paralympics is going on. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
What is India's position? Have you won some gold? Are you aware?
No, sir.
Where it is being organized, Paralympics?
Sir, at Tokyo.
Tokyo itself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So some people say that we are not, we have not invested much for our Paralympic participants or Divyang participants.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like most people don't even know what is Paralympics. Okay. So what is your opinion? What more steps the government should take for the Divyang population of our country?
Sir, according to many people as well as I also refer that as the Olympic is advertised not as much as like Paralympics, so many people don't aware of this Paralympics. So government should take major steps such as more advertisement, more training facilities should be given, and more training institute for those disabled sports persons should be provided, so that their proper training can be undergone, and they can also own many medals and perform better at national and international level sports places.
Okay, that is fine. So recently we had a fire in Shivnipara forest. So as a student of forestry, can you tell me what are the general reasons for forest fire and what are the prevention? That is first a theoretical part. Now coming to the practical aspect, why we were not able to control it?
Sir, forest fire is a big major problem to mainly the forest of these temperate, mainly these tropical countries, as there is much more rainfall and much more sun radiation, for which the dry leaves which cover mainly the forest floor of forest area, they mainly catch the fire due to the high solar radiation and temperature. Sir, along with that, the village dwellers nearer to the forest area, they mainly intentionally cause firing to that of the forest area. They mainly make trenches around the forest trees and make firing so that the tree completely burn, which is mainly cause of the forest fire in our forest. So as the forest area is very huge and there is no proper control measures for controlling the forest fire, so we cannot control it, as it is very grow to a larger area in a short duration of time. So only through the satellite data we can want to know that the fire is present in that portion of the forest, which mainly takes mainly 2 to 3 days for to know that the fire is going on. So after that it is very late, and forest fire mainly spread throughout the much more portions. Then after that the use of the water lifting aeroplanes is very very cost in area like in state like Odisha. So we cannot control the forest fire in our state.
Okay, fine. Last question to you will be, suppose you are not selected in the exam, what are you going to do after?
So I mainly firstly I disheartened, as I am preparing very much to get this Odisha Forest Service. Then I will go through my papers, how I write, where I lose my marks, and then I will try to correct those and again reappear after when it is
So you will evaluate yourself,
yes,
what
sir.
went wrong, and then you will reappear.
Reappear.
Fine, so that will be the end of the interview.
Yes, sir.
So 200 marks of interview.
Yes,
So आज interview you get around 130. Around eye contact बहुत ही flicker coach, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
तो सही तो 100% होगा.
Yes,
कि
sir.
interviewer आपन को चाहते हैं अच्छा तो आपन को ताका आपके दिखे पड़े.
Yes, sir.
ଆଉ ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ବି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ, ବଟ୍ ଲାଇନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସାଇଟ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି ଦ ଆଇସ୍, ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ନମ୍ବର
Yes,
ୱାନ୍।
sir.
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ହେଲା ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
Yes, sir.
ରହୁଛି, ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିବେ, ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ 1 ଆୱାର ଖଣ୍ଡେ 1-2 ଆୱାର୍ସ ମିରର ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ।
Yes, sir.
ଓକେ, ତ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅପସନାଲ୍ସ ଉପରେ ରହିବ,
Yes, sir.
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି।
Yes, sir.
ଫରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର
Agriculture.
ଯେଉଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଛି ସିଲାବସ୍ ଇଚ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଭ୍ରି ୱାର୍ଡ, ତା ଉପରେ ଦୁଇ ପଦ କହିପାରୁଥିବା ଦରକାର।
Yes, sir.
ବହୁତ ଡିଟେଲ୍ସକୁ ଯିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ଯେମିତିକି ମେନ୍ସରେ ଆଉ ଯେଉଁ ଆଜି ମିଳିବ ମେଟେରିଆଲଟା
Yes, sir.
ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନରୁ ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ ପଢ଼ିଦେବେ।
Yes, sir.
ଓକେ।